Google just gave Antigravity something that changes how solo operators actually use AI agents: remote control. Real remote control, not screen mirroring, not cloud hosting, not another subscription platform. You start an agent task on your computer, walk away, and supervise it from your phone or tablet through a standard web browser. No app to download, no remote desktop software, no monthly fee to access your own machine. And here's the part most people are not talking about yet. There is one specific agent instruction format that makes this actually work when you are not sitting at the desk. And I am showing you exactly what that is by the end of this video. You are going to want that. I am Paul James. I show solo operators and freelancers how to use free AI tools to build service businesses without the subscription overhead most people think they need. If you got value from this already, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full system for turning tools like Antigravity into actual client income, my AI Night Shift course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers coming from this video get it for under $30. That pricing only shows for people landing from here. So grab it while it is there. Comment below and let me know if you are heading over. I want to see who is in. Now here is why this matters. Traditional remote desktop tools can charge you monthly just to access your own computer when you are away. Antigravity works differently. Instead of mirroring your entire screen, it gives you access to the agent interface, the conversation, plan, current task, and input box. You are not navigating your desktop from a tiny phone screen. You are simply supervising the agent. I call this the Pocket Supervisor System. It works like this. You start the agent task on your local machine. The computer stays connected to the internet. If it goes to sleep or disconnects, the link drops. But as long as it is running and online, you can monitor and control that agent from any browser on any device: iPhone, Android, tablet, another laptop. You see what it is doing in real time. You can send new instructions. You can redirect it if it is going off course. You can review finished work. And if you have multiple agents running on different projects, you can switch between them. The agent still executes on your machine, not in the cloud. This is just the control layer. Think about what this means for someone running social media management as a service. You set up a content creation agent before you leave the house. It is building posts for a client's next week of Instagram. You are at the gym. You pull out your phone, check the browser, and see it just finished the captions. You review them, approve 3, redirect it on one that missed the tone. The entire check-in takes 90 seconds. That work used to require you sitting at the desk the whole time, or coming back later to a pile of output that might be wrong. Now, the agent runs while you are gone, and you just supervise from wherever you are. That is a $400 monthly retainer built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Rolling out to Ultra subscribers first, then everyone else. If you are on the free version, watch for the remote control option when it reaches your account. Activate it, open the browser link on your phone, and you can see the conversation, check the agent's progress, and send new instructions directly from mobile. And here is where most people hit the wall. They set this up, walk away, check their phone an hour later, and the agent is stuck waiting for input on something it could have handled on its own. That is the failure point. You think you are delegating, but you are actually just creating a remote babysitting situation. There is a way to write the initial agent instruction that prevents this. I am walking you through that in about 60 seconds. But first, the money side. Let's talk about what this unlocks when you are actually running client services. Lead generation. You set up an outreach automation for a local business before you head out for the day. The agent is researching contacts, pulling email addresses, drafting personalized intros. You are at lunch. You check the mobile link. It found 23 qualified leads and drafted the first batch of emails. You review one, approve the rest, tell it to send. The client gets results while you are eating a sandwich. You charge $300 for that campaign. Most email marketing platforms or CRM tools with automation features charge you monthly to run sequences like that. Your stack costs $0. Or custom knowledge bases. You build an internal AI assistant for a client's sales team, answers product questions, pulls up case studies, handles onboarding. You deploy it on their system. 2 days later, you are traveling and you get a message that the assistant is returning weird answers on one topic. You pull up Antigravity's remote link on your phone at the airport. You see the agent, you adjust the training data, you test it live. Fixed in 5 minutes from a gate in another state. That is a retainer client you can actually service without being chained to a desk. The paid platforms that do this, the enterprise chatbot builders, the internal AI tools, They start at hundreds a month, and they still do not give you mobile control this clean. And listen, if you have not grabbed my AI Night Shift course yet, it is linked in the description. Under $30 right now, instead of $197, that discount only shows for viewers landing from this video. The course walks you through the full system for building these client services with free tools like Antigravity. Comment below if you are heading over to grab it at that price. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. So here is what that workflow actually looks like in practice. Solo operator running social media content for 3 local clients. Monday morning, she sets up 3 separate Antigravity agents, 1 per client. Each agent has its own project, its own brand voice instructions, its own content calendar. She starts all 3, closes the laptop, heads to a coffee shop to handle calls. 2 hours later, she checks the mobile link between calls. Agent 1 finished the week's posts and exported them. Agent 2 is stuck on a tone question for a specific caption. She types a 3-word clarification on her phone. Agent 2 continues. Agent 3 is still researching trending topics. She lets it run. By the time she is back at her desk that afternoon, all 3 clients have their content ready for review. She did not sit there and monitor. She just checked in when it made sense. That is the system. And okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. The agent instruction format that actually makes remote supervision work instead of turning into a babysitting job. Here it is. When you write the initial prompt to the agent, you add 1 line at the end. If you encounter ambiguity or need a decision on tone, style, or scope, pause and ask me directly. Do not assume the answer and continue. That single instruction changes everything. Without it, the agent guesses. It makes assumptions based on context and keeps moving. You check your phone 2 hours later and it built the whole thing in the wrong direction. With that line, it stops, flags the question, and waits for you. You get the notification on mobile, you send a quick reply, it continues on the right path. That pause and ask behavior is what makes the Pocket Supervisor System actually functional. Most people skip it because they think the agent should just figure it out. It will not. You build that checkpoint into the instruction, or you waste hours fixing work that went sideways while you were gone. Imagine what the next 30 days look like once you have this running. You wake up, start 3 client automations before breakfast. You check them from your phone while you are out running errands. One needs a redirect, you handle it in a text message worth of input. The others finish clean. You are back home by noon, and every client project is done, or 90% done. You did not sit at a desk for 6 hours straight. You supervised from wherever you were. That is what leverage actually looks like when the tools do not cost you monthly and the interface follows you to any device. You are not paying for remote desktop software. You are not locked into a cloud automation platform billing you per task. You are running agents on your own machine and controlling them from your pocket. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.